Number 1. TimberPro TL775D. The TimberPro TL775D is a highly capable and efficient fellow buncher designed for use in forestry applications. It is part of TimberPro's TL series, which is known for its strength, reliability, and productivity. This machine is designed to offer an optimal balance between power, efficiency, and operator comfort, making it ideal for demanding and tough forestry environment. The TL775D is powered by a fuel-efficient Cummins QSL9 engine, capable of generating up to 365 horsepower, providing the machine with ample power for a wide range of tasks. The TL775D features an advanced hydraulic system that delivers up to 160 gallons per minute of hydraulic flow, making it highly effective for tasks that require a lot of hydraulic power. The machine has a reach of up to 23 feet, allowing it to handle trees of various sizes with ease. The TL775D's cutting head is designed for precision and clean cuts, ensuring that the operator can complete tasks quickly and efficiently. The hydraulic quick couplers make it easy to change out cutting heads, making it a highly versatile machine for different forestry applications. One of the key advantages of the TL775D is its advanced cap design, which prioritizes operator comfort and productivity. The cab is spacious and features a range of ergonomic controls and features, including a fully adjustable air suspension seat, an advanced climate control system, and a high-resolution touchscreen display. The cab is also designed to minimize noise and vibration, providing a more comfortable and productive work environment for operators. The TL775D is equipped with a heavy-duty undercarriage system that provides excellent stability and traction in tough terrain. The machine has a 4-point leveling system, which ensures a level work platform even on uneven ground, reducing operator fatigue and improving productivity. The TL775D is also equipped with an advanced diagnosis system which provides real-time information about the machine's performance, making it easier for operators to identify and address issues quickly. One potential disadvantage of the TL775D is its size and weight, which can limit its mobility and access to certain areas. The machine also has a high initial cost, which can be a barrier for smaller forestry companies or those with limited budgets. Overall, the TimberPro TL775D fellow buncher is a powerful and versatile machine that offers a range of benefits for forestry applications. Its combination of high horsepower, advanced hydraulic system, and operator-focused design make it well-suited for tough forestry environments and heavy-duty applications investments. Number 2. Menzi Master M515. The Menzi Master M515 has a long history of development and innovation. The machine was first developed in the 1990s by Swiss engineer Ernst Menzi, who saw the need for a forestry machine that could operate in challenging terrain. Menzi worked to develop a machine that was stable, maneuverable, and powerful, and the Menzi Master M515 was born. The Menzi Master M515 is a unique and highly capable forestry machine that has been designed to operate in challenging terrain and conditions. The machine is equipped with a powerful 4-cylinder DOS TCD 4.1 L4 diesel engine that delivers up to 154 horsepower and has a maximum torque of 2,000 revolutions per minute. This engine provides the machine with dynamic power that makes it ideal for a range of forestry operations, including harvesting, mulching, and clearing. The Menzi Master M515 features a unique 4-point support system that allows it to easily navigate rough terrain and slopes of up to 60 degrees. This system provides the machine with excellent stability and maneuverability, making it ideal for use in challenging environments. One of the key advantages of the Menzi Master M515 is its advanced control system. The machine is equipped with a joystick, a control panel, and a display screen that make it easy for operators to control the machine and the crane. The controls are intuitive and easy to use, making it possible for operators to quickly learn how to use the machine effectively. Another advantage of the Menzi Master M515 is a spacious and comfortable cab. The cab is designed to provide operators with excellent visibility, making it easier to navigate challenging terrain. The cab is also equipped with air conditioning, a heater, and adjustable seats, making it a comfortable working environment for operators. The Menzi Master M515 comes with a 7-meter crane that can lift up to 700 kilograms. The crane has a hydraulic reach of up to 8.7 meters and can rotate 360 degrees. It is also highly versatile thanks to its range of attachments. The machine can be equipped with a harvesting head, a grapple, or a mulching head, making it suitable for a wide range of forestry applications. Overall, the Menzi Master M515 is a highly capable and versatile forestry machine that is designed to operate in challenging conditions. Its unique design, powerful engine, and advanced controls make it an excellent choice for forestry operations, and its long history of development and innovation make it a top choice for forestry professionals. Number 3. John Deere 1110D. The John Deere 1110D was introduced in the early 2000s and represented a significant improvement over previous models. The John Deere 1110D is a highly capable and efficient four-wheeler designed for use in forestry applications. It is part of John Deere's D-Series four-wheeler line, which is known for its strength, reliability, and productivity. This machine is designed to offer an optimal balance between power, efficiency, and operator comfort, making it ideal for demanding and tough forestry environments. The machine has a load capacity of up to 13 tons. The machine's high load capacity is due to its sturdy frame and advanced hydraulic, which allow it to handle heavy loads with ease, and it is equipped with a 10-meter crane that can lift up to 8,000 kilograms. The crane has a hydraulic reach of up to 9.5 meters and it can rotate 360 degrees. The John Deere 1110D is also equipped with advanced control, especially designed tracks and a range of versatile attachments. The machine is powered by a John Deere 6068H engine that delivers up to 170 horsepower and has a maximum torque of 750 Nm. This engine provides the machine with dynamic power and excellent fuel efficiency, making it an ideal choice for forestry operations. The machine's engine is designed to deliver smooth and consistent power, even in the most demanding operating conditions. The advanced hydraulic system on the machine also provides excellent lifting and carrying capabilities, making it highly productive and efficient. John Deere 1110D has several advantages, including its high load capacity, advanced controls, and versatile attachments. This machine is highly maneuverable, making it easy to operate in tight spaces and rough terrain. The machine's tracks provide excellent traction and stability, allowing it to operate in challenging forestry environments. The machine's crane is highly responsive and can be used to pick up and place logs with precision, increasing productivity and efficiency. The John Deere 1110D has undergone several updates and improvements over the years, with the most recent model featuring advanced technologies such as JD-Link telematics, which allows operators to remotely monitor and manage machine performance, and a fuel-efficient hydraulic system that reduces fuel consumption by up to 6%. The main disadvantages of the John Deere 1110D is its cost. The machine is relatively expensive compared to other forwarders on the market, making it a significant investment for forestry operations. The machine is also relatively heavy, making it challenging to transport and maneuver in some situations. Overall, the John Deere 1110D is a highly capable and versatile forwarder that is designed to operate in demanding forestry environments. The machine's advanced feature, powerful engine, and versatile attachments make it an excellent choice for forestry operations, and its history of innovation and development demonstrate John Deere's commitment to meeting the needs of the forestry industry. So there you have it, a closer look at 3 of the most advanced and powerful forestry machines in the industry today: the TimberPro TL775D, Menzi Master M515, and John Deere 1110D. We hope that this video has been helpful in providing you with a better understanding of these machines and their capabilities. If you have any further questions or would like to learn more about these machines, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.